In this video, I'm going to show you how to get an Israeli citizenship. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight to the video. Alright, I've outlined a few steps that you need to do to obtain an Israeli citizenship. So there's several different pathways, including the law of return and naturalization, descent, marriage, and other special circumstances. So here's a detailed guide on how to acquire Israeli citizenship. So citizenship through the law of return. So the law grants every Jew the right to come home to Israel as an Oleh, a Jewish immigrant, and become an Israeli citizen. So here are some key points. So anyone who is Jewish, defined as a person born of a Jewish mother or who have converted to Judaism and is not a member of another religion. The process is, so you need to apply for an Aliyah visa at an Israeli consulate. Upon arrival in Israel, you will receive temporary documents. Complete the absorption process and obtain citizenship. So the second way here is citizenship by naturalization. So foreign nationals who have been living in Israel may apply for citizenship through naturalization. Requirements include residency. So you must have resided in Israel for at least 3 out of the 5 years preceding the application. Must hold permanent resident status. Demonstrate a basic knowledge of Hebrew. Expressed intent to reside permanently in Israel. And then willingness to renounce previous citizenship if required by Israeli authorities. And now the third way is citizenship by descent. So children of Israeli citizens born abroad can acquire Israeli citizenship. Key points include at least one Israeli parent. So citizenship can be acquired if at least one parent is an Israeli citizen. And the application, so register the child's birth at an Israeli consulate and apply for citizenship. Fourth way is citizenship by marriage. So spouses of Israeli citizens can apply for citizenship. Requirements include residency. So you must reside in Israel with the Israeli spouse. Generally involves a gradual process starting with temporary residence, then permanent residence, and then finally citizenship. Commitment. So you demonstrate a genuine marital relationship and intention to settle in Israeli. And number 5 here, special circumstances. So there are some other special cases where one can obtain Israeli citizenship. Contributions to Israel. So individuals who have made significant contributions to the state of Israel in various fields may be granted citizenship. Refugees and asylum seekers. In certain circumstances, refugees or asylum seekers may be granted citizenship. And the application process for this. So what you want to do is collect necessary documents such as passports, birth certificates, proof of Jewish status if it's applicable, marriage certificates and other relevant documents. And then from there, you want to submit your application. So they can be submitted at the Ministry of Interior in Israel or at an Israeli consulate abroad. And then you might be interviewed and examined. So applicants may be required to attend an interview and demonstrate knowledge of Hebrew and Israeli society. And now once improved, you will be granted Israeli citizenship and can apply for an Israeli passport. And now I've jotted down some important considerations. So legal assistance. So consulting with an immigration lawyer or legal expert can be beneficial, especially in really complex cases. Dual citizenship. Israel allows dual citizenship, but applicants should check whether their home country permits it or not. Military service. New citizens may be subject to Israel's mandatory military service requirements.